Hello everyone, I'm Bruna and today we're going to speak about women's empowerment. Global Women's Empowerment Index score is 0.607, which means across the globe only 60% the women can reach their full potential. The world see a 20% increased GDP by closing the gender of employment. So with me today I have Miss Afsha, the HR management, and we're gonna have some questions regarding the women's empowerment. Hi, Ma'am Afsha, how are you?
I'm good, Bruna. How are you?
Good. Thank you for choosing. So, why women empowerment is essential in the society?
Women empowerment is very essential, Bruna. As you have already mentioned, only 60% we have that women-related employment as of now. So for society equality, for like avoiding the discrimination in terms of any violence, gender inequality, women empowerment is important to raise the children, to give them proper education. So we need proper women who is educated, employed and self-independent, so they can give their child with that kind of quality education and will be a future leader to our generation. So it is highly important.
So, how to create a woman empowerment?
To create women empowerment, there's a lot of basics where we have to work on. It's to give women the right of authority, to decision making, basically, to give equal opportunity in terms of employment, give equal pay as per the other gender which we are paying, give them a secure and safe place to work into, value them, and instead of any gender bias society, let's create a normal working culture and employment for women. And as I have again said, let them be self independent.
What are the advantages of gender equality?
So there are a lot of advantages. Starting, it will raise the HR policies, raise the standard of living. It will automatically increase the efficiency of the ecosystem and so on. Yeah.
What are the advantages of empowering women?
So there are a lot of advantages, like it will boost up our HR capital, it will raise our living standards, automatically it will raise the society efficient method and so on.
What are the long terms of empowering women?
So there are a lot of long-term plans. We are breaking the myths of the society of so-called old tradition and societal myth. It is a long-term plan for to raise the living standard, to give them equal potential, which will again directly or indirectly influence our upcoming future children. And to give equal opportunity, it is very important for long term to glorify the women's power and their true potential. Yeah.
How to achieve global women empowerment?
To achieve this, we need to work on the different segments of education, health, finance, security, safety of women, to give equal opportunity, equality and so on. Thank you so much, Bruna.
Thank you very much. So, if you want more details regarding the video Women Empowerment, follow us for more. Thank you.